Welcome to our channel. If you want to freeze your credit report to prevent identity theft, follow these step-by-step instructions to protect your credit with all three bureaus. Step 1. Gather necessary personal information, including your full name, social security number, date of birth, current address, and previous addresses from the last 2 years. Step 2. Visit the official websites of all three credit bureaus: Equifax at equifax.com, Experian at experian.com, and TransUnion at transunion.com. Step 3. Navigate to the credit freeze section on each bureau's website. Look for links labeled Security Freeze, Credit Freeze, or Freeze My Credit. Step 4. Create an account or log in if you already have one with each credit bureau. You'll need separate accounts for each bureau. Step 5. Complete the credit freeze request by providing your personal information and verifying your identity through security questions or uploaded documents. Step 6. Save the PIN or password provided by each bureau after freezing your credit. You'll need this to temporarily lift or permanently remove the freeze later. Step 7. Repeat the process for all three credit bureaus, as creditors may check any one of them. A freeze is only effective if placed with all three. Step 8. Temporarily lift your freeze when applying for credit by contacting the relevant bureau with your PIN and specifying the duration of the lift. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.